The next step in certification is to request a 3D certification appointment at one of the 3D printing libraries. Fort Vancouver Regional Library currently offers 3D printers for public use at these branches: Cascade Park next to the Furstenberg Center in East Vancouver, Three Creeks in the Salmon Creek area, Vancouver in downtown Vancouver, Le Centre Community Library, and the Battleground Community Library.